Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can enable notifications for SoundCloud newsletter. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the SoundCloud app on your device. Now, tap on the library icon. After that, select the gear button. Now, tap on the notifications. Scroll until you can find SoundCloud newsletter. Once you do, toggle on the button beside it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.